Today, we're diving into something not many people are talking about, the dark side of 3-minute YouTube shorts. Sure, everyone's hyped about the longer length, but there's a catch that creators might not be so thrilled about. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you see shorts. Let's talk about money. For long videos, creators earn an average of $3 per 1,000 views. But for shorts? In 2024, creators only made around 5 cents per 1,000 views. Yeah, 5 cents. That means while a long video with 100,000 views earns you around $300, a shorts video with the same amount of views would only net you $5. Even though YouTube recently increased the RPM from 5 cents to 15 cents, that's still only $15 for 100,000 views. For creators, that's a huge difference. So what does this mean for creators, especially those who rely on shorter content for their income? Well, while YouTube's raking in the cash, creators are being paid way less than they deserve. Take Lo-Fi Alpaca, for example, who's made about $15,000 a month from how-to tutorial videos under 3 minutes. Then there's Trevor Nace with an income of over $25,000 a month and Guide Realm videos with a whopping $40,000 plus a month. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the kicker. YouTube's 3-minute shorts may have been introduced to limit how much these creators make. Why? Because by capping shorts revenue, YouTube, well, Google, ends up saving a ton of money on payouts. Instead of paying creators $300 for 100,000 views, they're now only shelling out $15. That's a 95% cut in earnings for creators. And what's YouTube doing with all that extra cash? Probably investing in the future, while creators are left with a fraction of what they could have made. So, what's the real reason behind this move? Honestly, it looks like YouTube wants to limit the earnings potential for successful short video creators while boosting their own profits. And sure, they'll tell you it's to encourage better content or some vague viewer experience improvement, but really, it's about keeping creators from earning too much too fast. And that's where things get unfair. There are millions of creators out there making tutorial videos, educational content, or entertainment under 3 minutes. They're helping people, but getting paid peanuts in return. It's almost as if YouTube is pushing creators to stick to long-form content where they can justify bigger payouts. Which makes you wonder, could this be the perfect opportunity for a big investor or platform to come in and compete with YouTube? Maybe offer creators a better deal? It seems like the door's wide open for someone to step in and shake things up. So what do you think? Should creators be worried about the direction YouTube is taking with these 3-minute shorts? Or is there a bigger opportunity here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated with more insights on the creator economy and digital trends. We've got some big discussions coming up, and trust me, you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching and sharing this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.